Hello guys, and welcome to this video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to italics your text. Okay, how to make your text italics like what you see on your screen. I'll be showing you how to do that in WhatsApp. Okay, now if this is your first time of coming onto my channel, I want to say welcome to my channel. My name is our Gman Isioto, and on this channel I teach you how to do stuffs online, and I teach you things that can help you make money for yourself and grow your business. Kindly do me a favor by liking this video and subscribing to this video, and make sure you turn on the notification bell. Okay, now to italics your video, it's very easy to do that. All we need to do is to go to WhatsApp. Okay, I'm gonna go to WhatsApp right now, and I'm gonna just show you how to do that on WhatsApp. Okay, so let me just take one of the charts, and then let me show you how to italics. So to italics, all you need to do is to put in your underscore sign and say let me just type something. Hi Luther. Okay, now you put an underscore. Can you see? Okay, hi Luther, this is a test. This is a sample message. Okay, and then you add the underscore at the end. Can you see? You add the underscore at the end. So there's underscore at the before the beginning of your words, and then after your words. Okay, before the beginning of your sentence and after your sentence. And then once we are done with that, we just send it. Okay, you can see the text has been italics. So this is how to turn your text into an italics. Okay, I believe you got value from this video. If you got value from this, kindly tap the like button, kindly subscribe to this video, and make sure you turn on your notification bell so that when I put out another video, you will be notified that I have published a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to see you in my next video. Enjoy.